Hi, good morning. My name is Chris Bayardo, and I'm the owner and CEO at Bayardo Safety LLC.
My name is Eric Valdez.
My name is Jeff Oresti.
I wanted to take a second to just let you guys know about some of the marketing tools in the marketing group that we've been working with.
I had the opportunity to meet Tony at Penngo, and he took a nice look at the websites and said he'd offer to help us out. And immediately Tony was willing to sit down, work with them, work with me, get a sense of what our vision was. Now we have a clean website, a clean look. It's very easy for people to navigate.
The team has really helped me to really progress, really boost everything that I'm trying to put out there content-wise, through social media, to generate more leads.
What's really nice about Penngo is these are really young guys, they're really hungry, they're really eager to work with companies from all walks of life. They're bringing state-of-the-art equipment to our events, they're helping us figure out lighting and audio and different visual angles so that we can have the best optimized final product we can.
So we're very fortunate to be working together.
Wide array of services that they offer, and I highly recommend reaching out to Tony Gosselin at the Penngo Marketing Group here in Houston, Texas.
There you go.